by Jack Johnson is played in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. So the main riff of the song starts on the 5th fret of the low E string with the 2nd finger and the 1st finger on the 4th fret of the A string relative to capo, and we're just going to strum these 2 strings for now. So we're going to strum down, down, up, mute. Then we're going to hit that low E string open twice. So then we're going to hit up, up, up on the chord. So 5 and 4 there on the E and A. Another mute, then A open 3 times. So slowly we have the 5 and 4 3 times. Mute, open, open, up, 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 mute, open, open, open on the A. We then move to the open A string and the 4th fret on the D string. Down, down, up, mute, open, open on the A, and then up, 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 down, up, on the 4th fret and the open A string there. So we're then going to add our 2nd finger to the 5th fret of the A and play exactly the same rhythm. So down, down, up, mute, open, open, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Move that shape up 2 frets to 7 and 6, and we're going to have the low E string ringing out this time as well. So down, down, up, mute, up and A twice, down to 5 and 4 again on the A and D, up, 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 down, open, 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 A. So slowly we have the 7 on the A, 6 on the D, open E, down, down, up, mute, open A twice, down to 4 on the D and 5 on the A, up, 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 down, open A 3 times. So again, and the whole thing played slowly. And more up to speed. There's also a variation of this riff. It starts off the same on the 5 on the E, 4 on the A, got the down, down, up, mute, open, open, and up, up. And on the 3rd up, we slide up to 9 and 10 on the E and A, and we hit that twice more, followed by the open A. So then go down to 9 on the E, 7 on the A, we've got the down, down, up, mute, open, open on the E, then up, up, down, up. Then we go down to 7 and 5, down, up, E and A, open and open. So then we go down to 3 and 2, 3 on the E, 2 on the A, same rhythm, down, down, up, mute, open, open, E, up, up. And then we go open and open. 2nd fret on the low E, down, up, down, off for the last hit there, open. So for the last bar here, we go to 2nd fret on the A, open A, we play down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And on the last strum there, on the 2 on the 4, we strum up on the 4th fret of the A, open E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then we go up, up, down, up. Last down up is on the 7th fret on the A, sliding up there. So the whole variation played slowly for you sounds like this. Good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. For more Jack Johnson tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck, happy practicing, and take care.